Children, here I am going to explain you exercise number 11.3. Look at the first question now. Find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Here they ask you to take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Okay. Usually we will take pi is equal to 3.14 or pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here they have given specifically pi is equal to 22 by 7. So we need to find out the circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle, you already know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? Here they have given radius is 28 mm. So circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into pi value they ask you to take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r they have given 28 mm. Okay. So 28 mm. So which is equal to 7 ones are 7 fours are, which is equal to 2 into 22 into 4, which is equal to 176 mm. So circumference of a circle is 2 into 22 into 4, which is equal to 176 mm. Coming to second problem, children. Here they are asking find the area of the following circles given that the diameter is 49 meters. Area of a circle is pi r square. Here they have given the diameter, so you have to find out the radius there. R is equal to d by 2. Okay. So diameter d is equal to 49 meters. So r is equal to d by 2, which is equal to 49 by 2. Now area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 49 by 2. So 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. So 7 ones are 7 sevens are 2 ones are 2 11s are, which is equal to 11 into 7 into 49 by 2, which is equal to 1886.5 meters square. So area of a circle is 1886.5 meter square. Clear? Let us see the fourth question in this exercise, children. The question is given, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meters. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Okay. So the gardener wants to fence a circular garden. Suppose if this is the garden which is in a circular shape, he wants to fence this garden, right? Fencing is nothing but circumference, right? Circumference of a circle. Fencing a rectangular garden means it is a perimeter of the rectangle. Here fencing the garden which is in a circular shape. So we have to find out circumference of this circular garden. So what they have given, the diameter of this circular garden they have given it as 21 meters. So diameter we are taking it as 21 meters. So we have to find out circumference of this circular garden here. Circumference of the circular garden or circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, right? Now here the length of the rope he needs to purchase. They are asking you to find out the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds, he wants to fence 2 times. So after finding the circumference of a circle, we have to multiply with 2, right? And then they have given the cost. They are asking you to find out the cost of the rope if the cost is rupees 4 per meter. Okay. Let us start doing this solution. So I am taking a circular garden whose diameter is 21 meters. Okay. Diameter of the circular garden equal to 21 meters. So which implies radius is equal to radius r, you can take it, r is equal to d by 2, which is equal to 21 by 2 meters. Okay. He wants to fence that circular garden. To fence the garden, which is equal to circumference of the circle. Which is equal to 2 pi r, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2. Right? 7 ones are 7 threes are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Right? So 22 into 3, which is equal to 66 meters. Okay. Here he wants to fence 2 times. Right? For fencing 2 times, the length of the rope required is equal to 2 into 66 meters, which is equal to 132 meters. Now the cost of 1 meter they have given 44. So the cost of 132 meters we have to find out. 132 into 4 will give the answer there. Given cost of 1 meter is equal to rupees 4. Therefore, cost of 132 meters is equal to rupees 4 into 132, which is equal to rupees 528. Is this clear, children? Let us see 9th question, children. Shajli took a wire of length 44 centimeters and bend it into a shape of a circle. Find the radius of a circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its side? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? So, Shajli took a wire of length 44 centimeters. The length of the wire is 44 centimeters. She is bending into the shape of a circle and also she is bending in the shape of a square. So the length of the wire is equal to circumference of a circle and also the length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the square. Is this clear, children? The length of the wire they have given 44 centimeters. First she bent into a shape of a circle and then she bent this length of this wire into shape of a square. Okay. See, children, in the shape of a circle and also shape of a square. The length of the wire they have given it as 44 centimeters. Here I need to find out radius of the circle and also area of the circle. Here side of the square and also area of the square. And at last we have to compare both the areas and we have to conclude the solution here. They asked you to find out, check which area encloses more, either square or a circle. Right? Let us start doing this problem. First I am taking A here. Length of the wire is equal to 44 centimeters, right? Which implies circumference of the circle is equal to 44 centimeters. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeters. Implies r is equal to 44 by 2 into pi, which is equal to 44 by 2 into 22 by 7. 22 ones are 22 twos are, here 2 gets cancelled. 7 centimeters will become the radius of the circle. Here they asked you to find out, also to find out area of the circle. So area of the circle is equal to is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into r into r. 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter square. So area of a circle is 154 centimeter square. Now the same length of the wire she bent into a square here. So length of the wire is equal to perimeter of the square. So I am taking that as a b width now. Perimeter of the square is equal to 44 centimeters. Perimeter of a square is 4 into s is equal to 44 centimeters, implies s is equal to 44 by 4, which is equal to 11 centimeters. Therefore, area of the square is equal to s into s, which is equal to 11 into 11, equal to 121 centimeter square. Right? Here area of the square is 121 centimeter square. Now compare area of a circle with the area of the square. Here area of the circle is 154 centimeter square and area of the square is 121 centimeter square. So clearly 154 is more than 121. So area of a circle encloses more area. Circle encloses more area. Is this clear? Let us see 13th problem here, children. The question is, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters. What is the area of the path? Here what they said, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meters wide. Suppose if I am taking this as the flower bed, okay, this flower bed is surrounded by 4 meters wide. Is this clear? Outside it is surrounding with 4 meters wide. And the diameter of the flower bed they have given it as 66 meters. They are asking you to find out area of this path. Area of this path. Okay. Other than the flower bed. Okay. See children, here the diameter of the flower bed they have given it as 66 meters. So radius of the flower bed will become d by 2, which is equal to 66 by 2, which is equal to 33 meters. Now children see, this one will become 33 meters. Now if I add this width of the path, then it will become the radius of the flower bed plus width of the path will become 33 plus 4 is equal to 37 meters. Okay. So the area of the flower bed will become pi r square. Right. Area of the flower bed is pi r square, which is equal to, here they have given pi as 3.14. So 3.14 into 33 into 33. Here I got it as 3419.46 meter square. Now area of the flower bed plus path, which is equal to pi r square again. So which is equal to 3.14 into, here the radius of the flower bed plus path is 37 meters. So you have to substitute in place of r 37. So 3.14 into 37 into 37, which is equal to 4298.66 meter square. Right. Now we need to find out area of this path. Area of this path is nothing but area of the flower bed plus path minus area of the flower bed. So area of the path is equal to 4298.66 minus 3419.46, which is equal to 879.2 centimeter square. So area of the path is nothing but area of the flower bed plus path minus area of the flower bed. Is this clear, children?